India, the land of diverse faiths and cultures, has always been a cradle of spiritual movements. Among these, the Bhakti movement stands out as a beacon of devotion, equality, and reform, a revolution of the heart that transcended barriers and touched millions. The Bhakti movement, which began in South India during the 8th century, was more than a religious awakening. It was a call to connect with the divine through personal devotion or bhakti and to challenge societal norms that divided people. From the 15th to 17th century, this movement blossomed across India, shaping its culture and society. The Bhakti movement emerged as a response to social evils like caste discrimination and untouchability. It gave a voice to the oppressed and inspired devotion through simplicity, singing, chanting, and heartfelt prayers. Two streams of bhakti developed: Saguna Bhakti, where deities like Vishnu and Shiva were worshipped with attributes, and Nirguna Bhakti, which focused on the formless divine. In South India, saints like the Alvars and Nayanars used Tamil hymns to connect with the masses, marking shrines that later became revered temples. In Karnataka, Basavanna led the Lingayat movement in the 12th century, opposing caste hierarchies and rituals. He emphasized devotion to Shiva and equality through Kannada Vachana literature, inspiring generations to question orthodoxy. In Tamil Nadu, Bhakti traditions flourished under the Chola rulers, who institutionalized Shaiva hymns and built grand temples, integrating Bhakti with broader social practices. The Bhakti movement spread north, inspiring saints like Kabir, Mirabai, and Guru Nanak. Kabir's dohas questioned orthodoxy, Mirabai's devotion to Krishna transcended societal norms, and Guru Nanak laid the foundation for Sikhism, advocating equality and universal brotherhood. While northern Bhakti movements preached equality, many retained ties with caste structures and Brahminical traditions, reflecting the diversity of approaches. The Bhakti saints revolutionized Indian society by making salvation accessible to all, regardless of caste or gender. Their teachings in vernacular languages brought spiritual wisdom to the masses. Bhakti's simplicity fostered inclusivity, encouraged critical thinking, and opposed societal evils like untouchability and sati. Its ideals of devotion and equality found resonance in the Sufi traditions, promoting harmony between communities. Centuries later, the Bhakti movement continues to inspire India's cultural and spiritual landscape. Its emphasis on unity, devotion, and reform remains a timeless message of hope. Let the Bhakti movement remind us of the power of devotion to transcend divisions and create a more inclusive world. Now's the time to test your knowledge. Who led the Lingayat movement in Karnataka and opposed caste hierarchies? Basavanna, Kabir, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or Vallabhacharya? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.